So we have completed the rules contained in section 108. We were asked to decide who is an abettor. So each person involved will be charged, but then we had to decide the liability of the first person as an abettor. So how many rules were there? I think there were 5 rules. We had done 5 rules, and all these rules are culled out from the explanations given in section 108. And for each explanation, or for almost all the explanations, there are some illustrations. So we will do these illustrations and then move on. Section 108. The first illustration we are going to do is appended to explanation 2. Explanation 2, to constitute the offense of abetment, it is not necessary that the act abetted should be committed or that the effect requisite to constitute the offense should be caused. We know this. कि अबेटमेंट के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि ऑफेंस हुआ ही हो. ऑफेंस नहीं भी हुआ तो भी the charge of abetment can be sustained and conviction may be pronounced. Right? अगर फैक्ट अबेटमेंट वाले साबित हो जाते हैं, ऑफेंस नहीं भी हुआ हो तो भी सजा मिलेगी अबेटमेंट की. तो इसका एक इलस्ट्रेशन है. A instigates B to murder C, but B refuses to do so. B ने मना ही कर दिया है. So obviously offense is not committed. A is guilty of abetting B to commit murder. Even though B has refused, A instigated B to do so. There are facts to prove that there was instigation on the part of A, and therefore the offense of abetment of murder is established. Right? We have to bring evidences that we read in section 107, evidences of instigation. We have read that what amounts to instigation. So I think all of you can relate to what I am doing here in these illustrations. Second illustration is A instigates B to murder D. B, in pursuance of the instigation, stabs D. So here the purpose of abetment is to achieve a result which is death. Right? Remember, in this abetment, yeah, wherever there is instigation to do an offense, there are actually 2 types of abetments done by the abetter. Number 1, he abets another person to do an act. Number 2, he has the intention of achieving a result from that act, which in this case is death. So here there is abetment to do an act, which would be an offense of murder, जो एक offense होगा murder का. तो यहाँ पर death of D is the requisite effect that A wants to achieve. Right? तो हुआ यूं कि B ने instigation की influence में आकर stab कर ही दिया. तो stab करने के लिए abet किया हो शायद. ठीक है, याद रखिएगा, ये भी हो सकता, 2 बातें हो सकती हैं. ए ने इंस्टिगेट किया बी को कि जाओ मर्डर करो. कैसे ये नहीं बताया. डिड नॉट गाइड एज टू हाउ द मर्डर शुड बी कमिटेड. तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ अबेटमेंट है मर्डर का फॉर अचीविंग द रिजल्ट कॉल्ड डेथ, डेथ ऑफ डी. ये भी हो सकता है कि ए अबेट करे बी को कि ये लो चाकू, या रास्ते से चाकू खरीद लेना और चाकू से उसे मारो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर वो एक्ट को भी अबेट कर रहा है. कौन सा एक्ट? स्टैबिंग के एक्ट को. राइट? स्टैबिंग के एक्ट को वो अबेट कर रहा है. इफेक्ट चाहता है कि डेथ हो जाए. वो स्टैबिंग का एक्ट रिजल्ट्स इनटू द ऑफेंस कॉल्ड मर्डर. तो एक्ट है स्टैबिंग का, रिजल्ट है मर्डर का. तो जूम चला जाएगा. Can all of you hear me? Please confirm.